Hey, what's up, y'all? It is Thais here. So today I will be testing out the Miche Bounce Curl Defining Cream.
Good day, stretch your stuff, walk it out, do a little twist, gonna do it right now. Cause it's your day, it's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day.
Y'all know how much I love Miche. It's been such a staple in my hair care journey for the past 2 years now, and I was so excited when they launched this curling cream, so I wanted to see how well it performs on my 4C natural hair. Y'all know Miche always comes with the bomb results and performance on their products. So I'm starting with damp hair, and I take a little bit of that bounce cream, apply it to a section of my hair. So I will be testing this curl cream for the first time, doing a braid out. So after applying that curl cream to the section, I will be braiding or plaiting my hair, making sure that I do not borrow any hair from any of the other strands while I plait straight to the end for the best results and definition. So when I first put the curl cream in my hair felt instantly moisturized and manageable. And I wasn't surprised by how my hair feels because Miche is known to deliver that across all of their products, across their entire brand. So the smell is something that is so different to this brand. You know, Miche is known for the fruity, candy scented products, and they completely went a different direction with the curl cream, which shocked me, and I would have wished they used or stick to the candy scented theme that they had going on, because this scent is more floral in my opinion than sweet and candy like. Okay, so the first plait came out good. My hair looks juicy and it looks like I'm gonna get great definition from the curl cream. Okay, so as far as the first initial or first impressions of the texture, so the texture is just yummy goodness. So the texture is unlike the twist and butter or the leave-in. It has its own unique texture. It's more slippery in texture and it feels a lot more gummy, and it's like a medium consistency. It's not runny and light, and it's also not thick. It's definitely right in the middle when it comes to the thickness of the product. So a tip for getting the best definition with your braid out is to not braid straight to the ends. So once you have like 2 inches of hair left to the ends, you want to split those 3 sections into equal 2 sections instead of 3. So right here you can see I split it into 2 sections, and I am starting to twist instead of braiding straight to the end. So you're going to see why I did this when I unravel. Look at that texture, y'all. This texture is just on point. Yes, yes, yes. I love the way it feels on my hands, on my hair. My hair is well manageable. I can run my fingers through my hair and detangle it. And I can also instantly comb my hair. So I should let you guys know I didn't use a leave-in conditioner prior to applying this curl cream, because I usually find that curl creams are usually moisturizing on their own. They're sort of like a built-in moisturizer and a definer. That's why the product has a creamy texture. So I just skip it because I trust Miche to deliver the moisture that they always put in all of their products. Okay, so this is over 24 hours since I put my braids in, and now it is time to unravel them. So as I told you guys the day before, I actually started to twist the ends once I reached like the last 2 inches of hair, and then I unravel that braid. So when you're unraveling, how your hair comes out is all in the unraveling process. So you want to be careful not to create frizz. So when you unravel your braid out, those 3 sections should still be separated until you go ahead and pluck them apart. So you want to loose out that twist. That twist is going to allow your hair to not come out as frizzy, and it just makes loosen out a plait a whole lot easier versus starting from the very ends with a plait. So you want to unravel that twist, and then you want to pull 2 of those sections, pull it up, and it should unravel on its own until you reach the very roots. So while I'm unraveling this braid out, my hair still feels moisturized, it feels soft. It doesn't feel crunchy at all. Has a nice soft definition to it. So my hair definitely maintained a lot of definition, but the true test will be how well it holds up over the next few days, because we are not about to be re-plaiting our hair every single night. That is just a no-go, too much manipulation. So upon unraveling, I love the definition I'm getting before I go ahead and separate it. The definition is there. And now I am separating. So let's see if I still have definition after separating. That's another trick to curl creams as well. Sometimes you only get definition upon the initial takedown, but once you separate, it just turns into an afro. So I'm still seeing definition even while I'm separating. So my hair had a good clumping to it. So overall, for my first impressions with this Miche curl defining cream, I love the performance on my hair. My hair feels soft, it's defined, it doesn't have any flaky or white residue in there. The only con that I have is the scent. I just cannot get past the scent, meaning that I'm used to their signature candy scented products that I am so in love with. But yeah, this is the end result, y'all. This is how my hair looks. And a few hours after going out and being out all day, this is how my hair looks. It is still holding up. So I definitely got about 3 days of definition, which is pretty good.
It's a good day. You gotta find peace today. Get out your own way. Mind over matter, matter of fact, you gotta treasure what's inside of you.